Why my man driving sideways, bruh? Yo, what's going on? What's going on with my man right here? Hey, yo, he drifted down. Yo, what's up with old boy? Hey, yo! What's up with old boy going sideways with it? Bruh. What's going on? Let me make sure I'm going to 40 because I'm on the boulevard. I ain't trying to get no more tickets. But what's going on with old boy though? No, and then the turning signal was crazy. He just sliding over. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, he playing Mario Kart. No, wait till you can get over it. Wait. Nah, the way he slide over is funny. God dang. Yo, why my man drive